With your most accurate forecast, more spotty showers and thunderstorms possible tonight and as we head into the weekend. And it's going to be a hot and humid weekend here in the valley. We're going to increase that moisture late Sunday and Monday, and that's going to up our storm chances once again. Let's take a look at your forecast tomorrow. Just a 10% chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the valley. Scattered storms possible up north and down to the southeast. And temperatures getting closer to that normal of 106 for Phoenix for this time of year. We'll hit 101 in Fountain Hills tomorrow, 102 in Apache Junction, Queen Creek, Mesa, Scottsdale, all at 103, and mid to upper 90s in Carefree and Cave Creek after those spots dip into the 70s overnight. The rest of the valley will see lows in the 80s, and in the West Valley, Glendale, Levine, and Peoria will top out at 105 for tomorrow. Litchfield Park, Goodyear at 104, and 103 out in Buckeye and up to the north in Deer Valley. Here's a look across the state. Lows tonight in the 80s out to the west, 73 in Kingman and 69 in Sedona. Along the rim, lows in the 50s, Flagstaff, Heber, and Show Low in the mid to upper 50s, and tomorrow hitting the low 80s in those cities in the afternoon hours. Sedona will hit 91, Kingman at 101, and Casa Grande at 101 as well. Temperatures out to the northwest are going to be sizzling. Bullhead City up to 112 for tomorrow. Lake Havasu at 109 degrees, and Phoenix will top out at 105, just 1 degree below our 30-year average for this time of year. Sunday, 103 in our forecast. Monday, 101. So we're dropping a couple of degrees each day as we head into early next week. And with that moisture increasing late Sunday and Monday, we're going to be up to a 30% chance for showers and thunderstorms here in the valley. We'll keep slight chances going on Tuesday. By the time we hit Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the forecast looks a little drier and a little hotter. Thursday, the hottest day in your 7-day, now at 107.